Well, good morning. It is a rainy day here in Telluride, so my big plan to do some panoramic high trail not working out. The views wouldn't be as good today. Muddy, slippery slopes. So I decided to go with the tried and true must-do trail when you visit Telluride, which according to the internet is Bear Creek Trail. It looks like it's 2.3 miles to a waterfall and about 1,000 feet gain, so maybe roughly 5 miles round trip at altitude. So good practice for my real hike. This is the perfect little resting rock. So I made it to Bear Creek Falls. They're behind me here. See? It's been raining lightly, off and on the whole time. But I did get warm going up that 1,000 feet. It's very gradual. Well, it's pretty gradual. They rated the hike as easy, but it will take the wind out of you if you're not used to the altitude. So I just heard something in the woods, a noise, like, you know, a big stick falling down or whatever. So in case there's a bear, I thought I'd whip out the camera and start talking to it. It's been a great little hike. It's pretty much uphill the whole way, but it's gradual. Beautiful woodsy path with lots of aspens and wildflowers. the smell of sage and citrus. I don't really know what's making that smell because I don't see any sage or orange trees for that matter. But there's plenty of peak views of the mountains above, which are just truly spectacular. I mean, they're Alps dramatic. And then some waterfalls, littler ones, coming in from the canyons that feed into this one that we're walking in. And this town, Telluride, oh my God, I love it. I could totally live here. It's like being in Yosemite Valley because the whole town is surrounded by these beautiful canyon walls. And there's a waterfall at the end and some little ones along the way. It's just spectacular. And they have this cute main street with all these adorable shops and restaurants and, you know, she farm to table type food. It's awesome. And the town itself, all the little houses are so cute. I love it here. Definitely out of the way from pretty much any major city, but it's worth the trek here. Definitely worth the trek. So we just pulled into Arches National Park and we're just going to do like a little cookie tour before we go on. So we're just going to see what we see. Okay, so we got to Arches National Park, and I think it only took, what, 3 hours to get here from Telluride? So we don't really have much time, so basically we've been doing the Lazy Man store. We basically are just driving through to see what we can see. We get out and look at something if it doesn't involve too much walking because it's like 88 degrees out, so it's not too comfortable. The way to do this park is to get here early in the morning and pick what hikes you want to go on. Bring water and go on those hikes, but we can't do it that way, so we're just driving around taking videos, and now we're going to be on our way. And I think instead of staying in Moab, which was our original plan, we're going to head on out to Salt Lake City to save a little time. So that's the plan. Having fun, Ted?
Get a loan. His parents wouldn't co-sign.